Hey y'all, today I'm showing y'all all of my Disney ears, or should I say almost all, because this is not all my ears, but it is a majority of them and I cannot wait for you to see them. So let's get started. Okay, so here is a very large view of all of my ears. I'm telling you, literally stacked so high. Like, okay, so here's my knee, and in some spots this would very much go up to the ears. I just threw them all on my bed. So I'm going to be showing y'all all of them. I want to start this video off with my favorite ears. These are from Christmas 2019 and they match my entire outfit. Like, I got the gingerbread socks. I love the gingerbread. So here's number one, and to accent off that one, I actually have two. I wish I had two of this one, but to accent off that one, I got these ones. Here they are. So let's try on some ears. Here is one of my favorite. Again, super cute. Fluffy! Next we got this one. This was like flower and garden / springtime ear like 2 or 3 years ago. Next we got this one. This is from Tokyo Disney Sea. I'm kind of scared to wear it because they are so rare. Tokyo Disney Sea ears. Got these in 2016 when I went to Tokyo Disney Sea. So we got these ears that like just released. Followed by my Animal Kingdom ears. Next we got these. They're super weird. I like don't know how they work, honestly. But they're Halloween inspired, so here they are. Obviously custom made and not Disney, but here's the back of them. Next we got 4th of July inspired Americana ears. These are like 3 years old again. These were my first OGs. I've since got a lot of them, but nothing is better than original OG ears. Minnie Mouse. I got these Nemo inspired mine bird ears. They're super big. I don't know if I've ever worn these to a park because truly they're my sister's and they are just super big. Like, look, so big. Can't go wrong with rose ears. So these are very old. Again, I think these are like easily 3 years old. Continuing on, I got Little Mermaid ears, Celebration ears, a different pair of Little Mermaid ears which I haven't worn yet, the Americana ears from last year. These are the 2020 Americana ears. Toy Story ears. These have Forky. So these have Forky, Woody, and Bo Peep. They're kind of heavy, so I definitely would not recommend these for like a full park day. Another type of like OG ears, regular original colors. These ones apparently get stuck. Just regular pink ears. I wear these a lot. So these ones are absolutely one of my top 10 favorite ears. These are the 2021, very hard, they're already sold out basically ears. I wish I would have got another one because I bought these ones. I got two, but here's the issue. I bought these ones. Look at how like ruined they are. They're like fully dented. Here's another pair of like the regular OG ears. Blue ears. Blue when I was little was like one of my favorite characters. Look at how precious these ears are. These are the Flower and Garden ears from, I don't say, but these are the Flower Garden ears. I think they were 2020 ears. Just Halloween, super cute. Love the quality of these. These like leather ears. I love these Halloween inspired pumpkin ears. So cute. They're like the gingerbread ears. These are the sweater ears from 2018. More Flower and Garden inspired ears. Pocahontas ears. Never worn these ears out because they are so heavy. They fit my head perfectly, but they are heavy. They light up. They're like the ones that went with, they did something, but they light up. Here's my Fab 5 ears. Buzz Lightyear ears. Star Wars ears. Just cute, fun, multicolor ears. These ears were part of a Claire's Buying Bag box. I got so many of them, but they aren't that great of quality, but I like the color of these. They're like space inspired. These are kind of odd. I don't know. I just don't like them. I've never worn them. These are obviously not Disney. They're just kind of odd. Don't really look like Mickey ears. Star Wars Day at Sea 2020. Disney Cruise Line ears. They hurt my head so much. Oh my gosh. For those who follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram by the way, but here is some ears that I wear all the time with one of my favorite dresses. Here is Disneyland inspired ears. These are Disneyland Paris inspired ears. The thing is, these hurt so bad. Like, literally you can already see that they're slipping off my head. They're so small. That's kind of the issue with the Tron. When I was at Shanghai Disneyland, I wanted the Tron ears so bad, and they just were so tiny. Like, I'm hoping when the Tron ride opens here, they have the ears, and that they'll be more adult size, because they just hurt so bad. And then, like, look. Colorful ears. Love these. Again, one of my top favorite ears. So here's another one. These are part of the Claire's pack as well. Claire's pack was like from 2017 or 18. These are one of the newest pairs of ears that Disney released. Again, one of the newest pairs of ears that were released. These are just Etsy Epcot ears. I love this bow, honestly. When they put them on any of the bows, I have to have it. Tigger ears, Haunted Mansion ears, Halloween ears. Again, I hate these. They hurt so bad. They light up. Or not. Yep, they still light up. Oh, they hurt. These are the 2020 ears. I bought these like the first day they were released in like January of 2020. I love them so much. They were such a good deal towards the end, but I had already bought like 3 pairs while they were full price, so that sucked for me, but I love them. Mad Hatter ears, Food and Wine 2019 ears. These are a pair of ears I've never worn. Like, look how small they are. Like, compare them to the Nemo ears they all witnessed. These are just so tiny. This is a pair I got on Etsy. Like, look, never worn these out. These were shipped to me like this, so they're broken. So these are one of my favorite, obviously top 10. I'm going to show you all at the end of the video what my top 10 looks like, but here they are. They light up. So this is my favorite movie. These two are from my mom's favorite characters. So these are all my favorite characters. My whole family's favorite characters, I mean. This is my sister's favorite character. This is my favorite character. These are my mom's favorite characters, Chip and Dale, because me and my sister are twins. So my favorite movie is One of the Dalmatians. My sister's is Aristocats. Continuing on, Tsum Tsum inspired ears. Used to wear these all the time. Coco ears. I just don't have an outfit for these, so I haven't worn these. Curl ears. These are like one of my newest pair of ears. Honestly, one of my favorite. These are super heavy, so keep that in mind. But they light up. Let's see. Where do they light up? Yeah, they kind of have issues, in case you didn't notice. They're like popping out too. That's good to know. I literally just saw that. They're popping out and I don't know why. Figgy ears, one of my favorite. I know they say that about like every ears though. Alani inspired ears. They don't fit my head. I've tried to wear these so many times. They do not fit my head, so they're cute decoration. These are again one of the newest pairs of ears that just released. AP exclusive ears. I've been an annual pass holder since 2018. So these are the Run Disney ears. I don't know where my pair went, so these are not mine. Everyone in my family got one, so I have 3 pairs of these, but I just did the Run Disney Dopey challenge, so I do Run Disney. My whole family does it, so I got these ears because these are Run Disney 2021 ears. These are super cute for Food and Wine Festival. I love these ears. Another pair of purple ears, but these ones actually feel the best out of all the ones I have, so, and they're the exact same, but these ones feel the best. Maybe that's because I've worn them the most, I'm not sure. I love these ears, but I'm going to try them on, but they're broken. I'll show you why. Yeah, you can probably see. Yeah, no, they hurt. Okay, so they're broken right here. This was shipped to me like this, so I didn't return them, but that's how they were. Mardi Gras ears, perfect for Universal right now, but you know, you'd get dragged for wearing Mardi Gras ears to Universal because they're Disney. Minnie Mouse OG ears. One of my top 10 favorite pairs of ears, macaroons. Macaroons are my favorite dessert, but this happened the very first day I got them, and then I looked closely. Eiffel Tower is like very ruined too, so they're not good quality, but they are super heavy. I just feel like if you drop these like at Epcot even, they could easily shatter because I feel like these insides are very hollow, as you can hear. Haunted Mansion 50th anniversary ears. These hurt so bad. More Figgy ears. I love Figgy. More Americana ears. So these are one of the first pair of ears I got when I was getting Etsy inspired ears. So I got these a long time ago, but they have since kind of broken. Fuzzy Kitty. More of my Epcot ears collection. So Toy Story Land is my favorite land, and Slinky Dog is honestly my favorite ride, so I obviously had to get these ears. Minnie Witch ears. They honestly don't hold up that well, but super cute. Alien ears, but you know what? They be hurting. Yep. So, you know, they're that style. I don't recommend that style. Snow White ears. Love these because she's my favorite princess. The ears are super fun for summer and spring, and honestly I have so much fruit inspired stuff. These ears go perfect with them. I wear them all the time. Here's my favorite ears for Festival of the Arts, because look, I mean, they're super artsy. I've worn these a couple times this year. I love these. These are super cute winter fun ears. Like, literally look at them. Love these, but they are super heavy and they hurt and like they ruin my hair when I take them off because like look at the headband, but they're super fun. Here's crochet ears. I do have these in Groot too, but I have no idea where they went. I have a bunch of ears that aren't featured yet. Like they're not in the photo, they're not in this video. I don't know where I put a couple Tainer ears somewhere and I don't know where I put them. Disneyland ears. I want to talk about these ears for a second. So these are brand new. These are one of the very, if not the first, these are one of the very first ears that Disney created. So these are super old and I just want to show you them. They are fully authentically Disney. Here is ears that I love for Xenon inspired looks, because Xenon's my favorite decom in the entire world. Here's another balloon one. Again, these ones like don't hurt as much, but they're kind of heavy. These ones have the tendency to slide, but they light up as well. Here's Chewbacca Star Wars ears for Galaxy Edge. More Festival of the Arts ears, Figgy ears. I'm kind of disappointed that they didn't have any new ears this year, but here's what these do. Super sad. I love Figgy. So I obviously got these ears because I go to UCF, so black and gold. You know, those are our colors. Go night charge on. When I went to Shanghai Disneyland, everyone in my family got ears. So these are the ones that I believe my mom picked out. Mine aren't in this video for some reason. I guess they're with the other pair of ears, but here's one of them. I wanted the Tron ones, but they were super tight, like kind of like the Paris ones are. They're one of my favorite pair of Christmas ears. They're just so cute and fun. They had a little castle in the back, but that fell off. This is a part of the Make-A-Wish collection. I have everything except for the Crocs in the collection. The Starbucks cup, the Starbucks like tumbler, the Alex and Annie, both Spirit jerseys, the leggings. I have everything in this collection. I also have the Loungefly. So everything in this collection I have except for the Crocs because I don't wear Crocs. But here's the ears from them. Make-A-Wish is an organization that's very dear to my heart. So here's these ears. The Aladdin inspired ears. Winnie the Pooh ears. It's a Small World. These ears because they're fur and then they're beast and they just kind of go with everything. I love them. I wish they still the show, so I'd wear these Hollywood Studios when I'd go into the show. But these are ears that are like custom made Chippendale ears. They're kind of heavy, kind of bother my hair like super, and I would not recommend buying from them. But here's the thing. This happened literally just on its own, not even a year after I got them, and I wore those within that year once. I love these ears because the color, just so fun, and I love how big the bow is. They're ears that are done by wire. They can go either way. So they can go this way or they can go this way. What I don't like about them is they're kind of like you have to fully play with the wire, so they're not even looking like ears right now. Here's really ginormous Cars ears, pink ears, because you know you can't go wrong with pink. I have a couple of these, but I don't know where the open ones went. It must be with the other ears. Super cute. Honestly, love these ears. Just look at them. Christmas ears kind of hurt, kind of ruin my hair, but here they are. Christmas ears, candy cane inspired. Love them. Maleficent ears. I know Disney came out with the one recently, but I have all of them. So this one's an Etsy one, not Disney. I want to say I have all but the one that just released. But here's another Christmas ears. Can't go wrong with red. They go with everything. I mean, they're not even just Christmassy. Here is more like spring, flower and garden, summer ears. I honestly was not getting these for a long time because I was like, I don't think they do anything for me. I don't really like this design, but I loved them at the same time. And I was like, you know, they're like unique and I love unique stuff. And I just couldn't decide. And I just was like, okay, I'm getting them. I love them. But again, I don't know. Here's Sally inspired ears. Just look at these Pooh fuzzy ears. They're so cute and they're perfect for like going to Magic Kingdom and going to Fantasyland. Foodie fun ears. Just look. Like look. There's just basic ears, you know. Just throw on ears, go out the door. Incredible ears. These are more of the Claire's collection. These are the Rainbow ones. These are the summer collection from 2019. And I'll show you. So I was not getting these because I was like, why are so many deflated? Like I don't want to get them and then have them deflate on me and be like, but here. So I bought these. And then I put them in my bag, and I'm going to my car, and I look at my bag, and I'm like, what the heck? I see a sticker. You, like, blow them up yourself. I didn't know that the whole time. Here's super cute poster Mickeys. I'd wear these on a Disney cruise. I mean, I'd wear them to the parks, too, but they're, like, very Disney cruise because they had this type of poster looking all over the cruise. Stars to Mickey ears. I got these ears, but I haven't, like, put together a full outfit for them. I loved the ears, and I was like, I need to get those before they're gone, but I haven't yet worn them. But I love how thick they are. Just cute OG like Minnie Mouse, very retro style mini ears. I have a couple of these, but I don't know where the other one went, but I have worn these before. Here's like literally one of my favorite ears because these are Disney Cruise on Christmas ears. I hope to go on Disney Cruise that for Christmas time I was going to last year, but you know, obviously didn't happen. So I love Disney Cruise Line, honestly love it. So everyone in my family has one of these ears because we're going on a Christmas cruise and we needed them to match our Spirit jerseys that we got of this. Here's more Halloween ears, candy corn inspired. Here's another one on my Maleficent ears. I like this one because they're just like subtle Maleficent. I love the feathers. Probably my favorite of the villains ears that I have. Just look at these ears. So cute. Like, oh my gosh. So cute, so amazing, so fun. I love the fullness of the ears. So cute. Can't go wrong with a pastel purple ears. I mean, look. Here's more Tokyo Disneyland ears. So cute. I love these. Just like great for an iconic Mickey outfit. Okay, so I got these ears and they're the Pride ears. They came out a while ago. I got them and honestly, I bought them from day one because I saw how simple it would be to take out the bow. And I went to use the bow for like a bag or just like put it on a belt because the bow is very good quality. I think it's the most high quality bow Disney's ever done. And these were before they had Mickey ears. And I wanted a pair of Mickey ears because you know they go with some outfits. And so I got these and I snipped the ears off with seam. thing. And so I took out the bow and just wore them like this. I had a pair with the pride ears for the whole pride, but I gave them to someone, so I don't have them. I love these candy cane ears. I wore these a lot during this last winter, not to the parks as much. I mean, I think I wore them like 4 times, but I wore these to Night of a Million Lights because my favorite outfit to wear was my candy cane outfit, and then I just had a whole bunch of candy cane inspired outfits that I wore. Our Starbucks ears, I had one on each of them, but I kind of dropped these and the thing popped off, and I have the thing, but I haven't put it back on, but it's not broken. Super good quality. Just look at the cute little pearls on. These are my terrible 101 Dalmatian ears. More Halloween ears. They're kind of like the lollipop ones, which explains why I love them so much. I love these ears. Honestly, one of my top 10 favorite ears. These used to be my favorite ears, no joke. They're part of the Clears collection, but I just like the color and the cute little bedazzled jewel. I loved these ears for a time, but then they kind of just like, yeah. Jack Skellington ears. Okay, I went and found the rest of my ears, so I just want to show y'all. So I want to show you the rest of my collection because I went and found them. So be prepared. Okay, this mini bow, like, I mean, literally look at it. It's so me, so huge, I love it. 2 ears that I need to glue because they're broken, but they're super cute. No joke, these were ears that I wore almost every day when I first moved down to Raleigh. You know, I had lots of ears, but I just loved these so much because 101 Dalmatians is my favorite movie, like I mentioned all the time. But they just keep breaking, like I lose feathers. Every time I wear them, I probably lose like 12 feathers, and they're just super flimsy. So, my up ears. These don't fit my head, but these were one of the first ears Disney ever created. So these are from way back when I was a kid, and these did fit. My mom got me these graduation ears in 2019, custom made with my name on them. Got Groot ears. The fun thing about these is, look, they're very customizable. So like you put them to fit your head. Marie ears. This is another pair of Maleficent ears. I feel like she's the character that's had the most up, and then of course Mickey and Minnie. Alice ears. They're the OG donut. There's a new one that literally just released, but here's the original. Baby Yoda. They're like a soft little stuffed animal, kind of like the Winnie the Pooh ears that I have, and the Chewbacca ears. So cute. I hate how long the tag is. This is such an iconic movie. I mean, look. Meet the Robertson inspired ears. Vera Bradley ears. I hate how small these are, but Little Mermaid ears. The back looks like these ears too. They're just like so nice and flowy. Tara Terra inspired ears. Back looks like Sorcerer Mickey ears. A little Mickey, but it broke off. Stitch ears. These are Ratatouille ears that are going to go perfectly whenever that new attraction opens, just saying. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be doing another one of these videos eventually showing just how many ears I have, like doubles of the ears I have. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to share this video with your friends.